a sunny day, folks. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. It's a sunny day, folks. Oh, yep. Check that out, guys. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Got a Dremel 4000. I'm a lot more calmer today than I was yesterday. I can tell you that. Check out that, guys. I know a lot of you already have this 4000, but what can I say? Gonna get this set up and we're gonna get carving, guys. I'm a bit speechless still that I even have this, to be honest. I can't believe that I have this in my hand right now after the day I had yesterday, but nonetheless it's here. So let's set that to the side and see what else we got. I got a wee set of these Dremel 125 bits. Hopefully they're the wee bits I need to do the burning. I was talking to Claire and Claire says yep, that's the bit, so looking forward to getting these in, trying them out. That's a Dremel 125. So we'll see how we go with them. We've got the 4000, got the new Dremel bits, brand new flex shaft. Happy days. Need to get this sticker cut off. Oh, it's all good. Alright guys, what you want to do is get the flex shaft. Get the flex shaft, pull the flex shaft all the way out. Get an out rag and just rub off all the excess grease the whole way down it. And just pop a flex shaft back in, and that way it'll stop it from overheating when you're running it. Just pop it all the way back in. You're good to go. Right guys, so if anyone's got one of these, it's new. There's 3 pieces on the top. You just screw it off, set it to the side, and you get that wee collet with it. Just hold the button down, put the collet on, just tighten the collets just with your hand. That's good. So it won't turn no more. Extra safety, you can grab the big boy pliers, give it a wee tighten on. That's pretty good. And all you do is get your flex shaft now, set it in the end. That's pretty much it. Just screw it on. That's it. It's good to go. It's a flex shaft on. That's just for anyone that's never had a change the flex shaft before. I definitely recommend just wipe the grease off the inside of it. Not all of it, like, but just give it a wee wipe. Take it off, it'll stop the handpiece from heating up on you as much. And that's how easy it is just to connect it all together. So there we go, guys. I've got the 4000 on the flex shaft. I'm gonna hook up my cut-saw bar onto this now and hang this here up, and then we're gonna do a wee carving. So let's keep her moving. And what else do we have? A wee box. Sure, you get them with all the wee bits in it. Just the usual. Wee cutting disc. I got some collet, wee buffing bits, sanding discs. That's a good wee buffing wheel there, I'll maybe use that. That's come in handy. That's nice for buffing the stain and stuff off. Stick that into my wee bear box. See what else. What the? Oh? Oh? What is this? What is this we've got, Jordy? It's a golden wrench, guys. A magical golden wrench. Can you believe it? They say if you get the golden wrench, that means you're one lucky mother fiddler. Well, I must be a lucky one today, guys. Got the golden wrench, got the Dremel. All we need to do now is get ourselves a little bit of wood to carve. So, let's get going. Huh? Can't believe that, Jordy. That is one lucky man. Here we go. Right, guys. I'm just going to let it run there for a couple of minutes, run itself in for a whack of power up on it. That's how you hang it up on a bungee. It stops any vibrations, means in here is not making a lot of noise. Let that run for a bit. The Dremel 4000, it seems as if you can't get at the brushes. There's no wee screwdriver bit on it to take them out. But if you just go and you search for Matt Carves on YouTube, you'll see Matt, he shows you how to take them apart, change the brushes and stuff. So thanks very much for that, Matt. But anyone gets one of these and you think your brushes are away and you don't know how to change it, or you think you can't, just search Matt Carves on YouTube. You'll see the video, he shows you how to do it. He knows what he's at, so. Okay guys. So I'm gonna carve this wee bit of redwood, as it's a special day with my new Dremel. I thought I'll just carve this wee bit, and just to show you how special it is. Check that out, guys. So I've got these two wee bits. Absolutely beautiful. And we'll see you in the next video. We're going to carve this one. And I'm going to try out this 4000 in the next video. So, okay guys, happy to get it set up. Hopefully that wee video helps a couple of you. And like I say, next video, try out this 4000 and do a wee wood spirit. Maybe even carve two of them. Carve this one too. See how it go. So, okay guys, good day. Feeling a lot better than I was yesterday. And just like to say happy carving to everybody.